Welcome, in front of me is a KRUGER MATZ Flow 6, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up settings right here and then choose storage, and you should find your SD card right here. So tap on it. It will take you to the SD card content, and at the top you'll have the three dots, so tap on them and then choose storage settings, and you'll have the option to format right here. So choose this. It will give you a message that it will remove all data from the card itself. So if you will have something there that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before you begin the process, but assuming you already done that or there's nothing of that sort, then you can tap on erase and format. The process will begin. It is a fairly brief process, should take about a couple of seconds, and once it's finished, the card will be immediately ready to be used once more as it is right now. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.